Good morning. This would be day 30, wouldn't it?
Yep.
Day 30. 30 days on trail. We are now a month into this mess. And we're at a place called the Park, which, I don't know, kind of looks like a park. It's kind of nice. Good pooping spots. And we're just about packed up and ready to head out for our last full day in the Mazatzals before we hit Pine and a zero. A blessed zero. I can't wait. Yep, that's what we're doing today. So it's just getting through the day and seeing what can be seen, which the Mazatzals have been quite pretty, actually. It's prettier than I thought they'd be. So it's been a good time. I'll see you on the trail. Forested area. Makes for a fairly chill start to the day. Our first drink of water. Nice little rocky area. Coming down into the Verde River Valley, where we actually get to cross a real river. That'll be in a couple of, well, maybe an hour, hour and a half. We've got a little walking to get there yet. Super low elevation this river crossing is, and then we got to go up and over another hill before we get to the town of Pine. Don't know if you can see it behind me, but there is a white-capped mountain right behind me. It is way off in the distance. That is Mount Humphrey, which is very close to the Grand Canyon. And if you can make it out, you can probably make out the fact that it's covered in snow, which is very interesting. But I think it's cool that it's visible already, and you can kind of use it as a navigational aid. Like, that's where we're going. That's where we got to get to. Oh, and once we get to Mount Humphrey, then we got to go into the Grand Canyon. So, but anyways, between now and then, it'll be a nice marker to show the way. It'll be the final descent to the East Verde River. Should be down there in moments. Yeah? What? Yeah. The mighty East Verde River. Well, just finished a beast of a climb up from the East Verde River, and now it's flat. It's amazing. Love it. Ha! I just realized something. All day yesterday, I didn't think about politics once. And there's an election going on in Canada. And I have never not voted in an election in Canada. And I didn't think about politics once yesterday. Maybe I am getting some rest up here. Lovely little campsite here. pads here, pads there, pads here. I think I'll pitch over here and take a look at this view. Isn't that amazing?
Right? Here's your view.
Is there anything else you want to see besides Cheers? But seriously. Oh, those big mountains over there? That's what we came down from. Those big mountains over there? That's the Superstitions. Okay, there's something.
Sorry.
That's the Mazatzals though. That's it. Yeah. Anyways. Oh.